Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Düsseldorf. I'm going to show you this thing here, which is this Citroen VW camper. I call it a VW camper because I call them all a VW camper because it was the VW that started it, wasn't it really? So that's a Citroen Camperstar from Pössl, and I can't see the point, but I'll show it to you anyway. Look, it's going to cost there €58,500, and for that kind of money you can get something much better like one of these things over there. It's a modular type approach, so the chairs will come out if you want them to come out, and if you want to put something else here in this place, like chairs going the other way, or maybe you want to get another kitchen block or something like that, then you can actually do it. The kitchen block itself is a standard no, I don't know, stands like word. No, I'm being unfair now. Two here and sink. You've got drawers beneath as well. So there you've got, in this case, you've got your clean water and your dirty water, and it'll come out, and then you go and fill it. You fill it up. Same as what I had to do in my 1992 VW camper. There's your fridge. Fridge is slightly more modern than the one I had, as is this. You can see what's going on here. You've got your control for your heating. The fridge, the kitchen block also will come out of the vehicle completely. So if you want to sort of cook outside, it swings open. It can be done with by one person relatively easily. It's heavy, but it's got a clever system that allows you to do it without breaking your back. Right, 2 seats here. Tent in the roof. Okay, that bit's the car, isn't it? Let's have a look on the back. I'll give you the dimensions as well once I'm here. So there you go. It's 495 centimeters by 192. Actually, my VW is 465, 30 centimeters smaller, but when I look at it, it seems to be a lot bigger. Mine seemed to be a lot bigger. Mine now lives in Gibraltar. The person who bought it is there. So anyway, right, good. Let's have a bit of a longer walk around the outside. Okay, well, I'm not terribly impressed by this, but then again, the reason I'm not terribly impressed, I do appreciate it. You might have a underground garage or something like that, and so you're therefore this is the only thing that's suitable. You might want a car, so you can park it. That's not suitable. But really, for this type of money, you can get something like that instead, and that is a proper camper van. It's got a proper toilet. It's got everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. Bye for now.